What up fams, welcome back to my channel where I teach you guys how to play guitar as easy as possible. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to play Brown Skin Girl by Beyonce, Blue Ivy, featuring Wizkid and Saint JHN. So for this song, you won't need a capo, so I'll be teaching you guys how to play it in a different sort of way, and I'll also teach you guys how to play it the normal way, which is, so let me just play it through for you guys so you know what it sounds like. So first of all, you just place your, this is going to be a bar chord, so no capo as you can see, so so just cover the second fret with your index finger, and place your ring finger over here, your pinky right underneath on that third string, and then you're going to put your middle finger on the fourth string on the third fret. So this is the sound of the chord. So that's the first chord. So, and the strings that I'm picking are first, third, fourth, and fifth. So all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the second chord, you're going to slide your index finger over to the fourth fret, and you're going to cover the second string on the, what's that? That's the sixth fret. So that's the only finger that you'll be covering. So that's the only string you'll be covering. So you'll get this sound. And I'm picking the same strings, first, third, fourth, and fifth. So what you have here is you got 2, 3, 4. And then the third chord is you cover your first fret, the index finger. I'm going to place your middle finger on the fifth string, on the second fret, and you're going to place your ring finger on the third string, on the third fret. So you'll get this sound. So the bass for that one is the second string. So the strings I'm picking are second, third, fourth, and fifth. So, and you're going to slide your index finger one fret over, and you're going to place your middle finger right here, your ring finger right underneath it, and your pinky right underneath your ring finger. So all in that one fret. So, and I'm picking the same string, so and then the last chord is going back to this chord right here. So I'm covering the fourth fret with my index, and I'm covering the second string right here on the sixth fret on the sixth fret, and I'm picking these strings, first, third, fourth, and fifth. Another way you can play it, I've listened to the song recently, and the way it's played is you have a chord that plays once, and then you have a bunch of like little drum fills in between it. So I'm going to add that in there, and instead of strumming it or picking it, I'm going to slap the string. So I found it that if you slap the strings around about here where the guitar hole is, it gives you like a really good clear sound. So let's give it a go. So There you have it, fams. Brown skin girl. Hope you enjoyed that video. Let me know in the comment section below if you have any other requests. I've been getting a lot of requests lately, so I appreciate you guys' comments. And until next time, guys, if you haven't subscribed, once again, please subscribe to this channel. But for now, take care, God bless, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.